Sir. Now I would like to invite Professor R.P.S. Tomar for his presidential address. Dr. R.P.S. Tomar has started his career with the Indian Telecom Group B Services in 1976. He has more than 14 years of experience in telecom industry and academia. He conducted UNDP and P2 program for SAARC and APC countries. He has in-depth knowledge of telecom technologies like 6G, wireless, GSM, broadband, digital transmission, optical fiber, and IT technology. He has more than 2 decades in advanced level telecom training center and Apex Training Institute of BSNL at Ghaziabad. He trained more than 2,000 government officers, especially as army personnel, Indian police officers, etc. in telecom, IT, and management. He was also deployed at Montreal, Canada for training assignment. His research work over the past several years have been mobile technologies and management. And he has supervised PhD and MTech student projects. After open evaluation in 2013, he has worked as a director IT IPEN Group of Institution Ghaziabad for more than 5 years. Over to you, Tomar sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Pankaj. Am I audible? Am I audible to everybody?
Audible, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Pankaj. So once again, good afternoon to everybody. Honorable Dr. Amit Gupta ji, Chairman James Group, respected Dr. Jha, Dean James, Dr. R.P. Maheshwari, ex-professor IIT Roorkee, Chief guest for today's event, Professor R.K. Vyas, CSI National President, Mr. Saurabh Agrawal, founder and patron of CSI Ghaziabad chapter and keynote speaker for today's event, Dr. Vikas Chaudhary, HOD CSC, students, faculty member, students representative, Mr. Arth, and CSI student members and participants. I feel honored and privileged to be here with you today, and I wish to thank James Management for inaugurating a computer society and a branch of Ghaziabad chapter. I also thank Mr. Pankaj Yadav, CSI student branch coordinator, motivating the students to be CSI member for their overall development, as giving certain ideas by Chairman sir as well and Dean sir, and for suggesting me a guest of honor on this special occasion. Dear students, GM is a broadly run beacon of knowledge and excellence. It is also one of the institutions that can truly claim to be shaping the future while preparing the leaders of tomorrow. SI, which will add further a feather in your professionals, researchers, and India. Noida, Greater Noida, Meerut, etc. Chapter has many institutional branches, students, branches, 4 from Ghaziabad, Noida, Greater Noida, etc. And large number of the individuals. Now, what CSI does for the students as well as for the industry members? Chapter organization seminars, conferences, workshops, extend technical association, provides industry support of experienced eminent speakers exclusively for our member institutions. During COVID, we conducted more than 10 webinars on technical and soft skills, and some of them are research challenges in computer science, emphasis on geospatial data analysis perspective, overview of Industry 4.0, how to live stress-free life, introduction of big data analytics and cloud computing, digital marketing glimpses, webinar of fear of uncertainties, social networking and online mint, microservice architecture, and introduction of DevOps. For students, branch chapter does summer and winter internship program with live projects on latest IT topics, and the trainers are from industry academics having more than 20 years experience. Panel discussions based on industry perspectives, soft skill development, technical workshops, inter and intra-institutional competition, students project contest, and many more events, which is very much essential to meet the industry requirement. In every program of CSI members are given an attractive registration concessions for students. For young IT professionals, YITP 21, whose last date of registration is 24 December 2020. So students are invited to register themselves for that also, as well as their senior colleagues. For more details, you must visit Ghaziabad chapter website www.csi-ghaziabad.org, and for national CSI programs, you can visit www.csi-india.org. So students, you are most welcome to be the member of CSI Ghaziabad chapter, and my warm welcome to all the students. So not taking much time, I am once again grateful for the opportunity that you have given me today. Thank you very much. So over to Mr. Pankaj.
Thank you so much, sir.